Yeah, I've trained about 2 or 3 times already, and I've really enjoyed it. You know, obviously it's going to take a little bit of time to get up to, you know, match fitness in that sense. But I think overall in training, I haven't, you know, been left behind, so to speak. Considering it's like 2 years since I've last kicked the ball. But yeah, I've really enjoyed it. I knew I was retiring quite young, but I wasn't enjoying it at all, especially 2 or 3 years towards the back end of my career. And I think me just steadily getting involved with obviously Gav and the support that they've shown me already, I think, you know, being part-time is key for me, really. I think I want to enjoy football again, and if I can help the younger players and everyone else around me to, you know, potentially lift the levels, if you like, and then show my experience around the place, that's the plan.
Obviously, close relative of Jordan, our captain, and an opportunity came about whereby we've seen each other in the gym a couple of times, you know, and you could see that the fire for football still burned brightly in his eyes, and just a conversation, you know, if he was interested in potentially getting back involved again. It seems to fit at this time of his life, it seems to fit us, it seems to fit him, so let's give it our best.
I was going to ask about Jordan. That must be a big help to have some friendly faces around as well.
Yeah, well, when we were kids, we dreamt about becoming footballers, and you know, he's played at a good level, and you know, and obviously I made it full time. So it'd be nice just to, you know, eventually get on the same pitch as each other.
We saw him on social media. He was a bit worried you're going to take his shirt at one point. That's not going to happen, I take it.
No, but I told him I'm taking the armband if I stay further than this season.
It's an exciting thing to be a part of. What I don't want to do is say build it up too much. We don't know if it's going to work. Dave doesn't know if it's going to work. All I know is that both parties have entered into this in great faith, with an intent to give it the best we possibly can, and let's see how it goes. You know,
I'm not expecting it to be easy at all, but you know, there's a good level of footballers at this level as well, and it's going to be tough, and you know, I've not come here for an easy ride. As I say, I've come here to work hard and help my teammates out, and ultimately we've come to win as many matches as possible.